6 natural ways to repel fleas and ticks. 1. Citrus juice. Fleas despise citrus, so squirt some fresh squeezed lemon, orange, or grapefruit juice on your dog's fur, avoiding the eyes, and keep in mind that lemon juice can lighten black hair. 2. Take a bath. Because fleas do not cling to your pet's hair, a bath in a warm tub will cause many fleas to fall off and into the water. Fleas are less attracted to clean animals, thus bathing your dog on a regular basis is also helpful. Consider using peppermint or neem shampoo to boost your anti-parasite defenses. 3. Cleaning your home thoroughly and on a regular basis. Making your home less inviting to fleas and ticks is one of the most important tactics for flea and tick prevention. Vacuum your home frequently, carpets, floors, furniture, etc., and empty the vacuum immediately if fleas are present. Bed linens, pet bedding, and throw rugs should all be washed regularly. 4. Add natural predators. Nematodes are a type flea larvae eating tiny round worm. They're available at garden centers and pet retailers. Within 2 days of putting them in your yard, you should see a decrease in flea populations. Ladybugs are another natural flea predator that may be purchased at garden stores. 5. Essential oils. Mosquitoes, fleas, ticks, and other pests may be deterred by geranium, lemongrass, and other essential oils, neem and catnip oil. 6. Protective clothing. Consider putting a doggy t-shirt on your dog if you'll be spending time in an area where ticks are probable, such as a forested or grassy location. For further protection, cut toed socks and place them on your dog's legs, leg warmer style. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification to get more videos like this one.